Hey Maya, it's Faith. Oh, am I the only one who noticed that the beginning of your song kind of sounds like Harry Potter because it goes do 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 do. Doesn't do that last part, but that's what I thought you were playing in the beginning because I was like, wait, she's playing Harry Potter for her symphonic band audition. And then whenever I first saw your video on our channel, it said like however you pronounce the dude's name or woman. I don't know, Cicilline. I don't know. But I thought you just said science and like drew out all the letters because it looked like S, and I thought you spelled it wrong because I'm under the impression that you suck at spelling. You're not really that bad, but that's kind of funny that it doesn't say science. So some sad and then, well, funny and then sad. No, funny, and then sad things happened today. And the first funny thing was that we were in an English class and we were doing these presentations about Antigone, and the one group was like, their presentation was kind of about love because this guy was gonna die for his bride or whatever, who was gonna get killed because she buried this body, blah blah blah. And so this overachieving person who will not be named in our class made up worksheets and had us fill them out while she was doing her presentation. And one of the questions was pick a tragic love story and like explain how it fits the fits the story. And Shannon put down Twilight, and I go, that's not tragic. And she's like, it's tragic. He's a vampire. And I'm like, the last chapter is called Happy Ending. I don't think it's tragic. And then later, whenever the overachiever was like, like asked us to name all of our things, like everyone said Romeo and Juliet, and she's like, does anyone have any different? And Shannon's like, Twilight. And it was so funny, and I like fell over laughing, and everyone's like, oh, right. And Wingard, who's our English teacher, not only has Shannon's home phone number, she apparently wanted to talk to her dad about debate. I don't know, but I'm scared for her life. She goes, oh, Twilight, that's really popular. I should like read that over the summer. So Wingard's trying to be a hip, cool person, like Eva. Remember Eva? If I knew how to insert pictures and stuff into this, I would, because Eva is just amazing. And then the other funny thing that happened, which is also Twilight related, was that during history we had this really weird sub. She was like this trainer from Hawaii, but she was really, 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 really fat, which is weird, but she was this trainer from Hawaii, and it was like she did the 6 degrees of separation, and she was like, oh, does anyone know what that is? And this one kid in our class is like, oh, it's that thing where like ice melts every 6 degrees every year or something. And I'm like, no, haven't you ever been on Facebook? Because people always invite me to those 6 degrees of separation. Like, if you send it to 6 people, we can reach everyone in Facebook, whatever. Or you're like related to everyone in the world by 6 degrees of separation. Well, she's apparently thinks that she's completely amazing and famous because she like trains some famous people that I like, old like people from old movies that are famous from the old movies and aren't really famous now. She like trained them, and so she's like, oh, I could get to the moon because I know so and so who knows a pilot, who knows the NASA president, who knows an astronaut. I don't know, something stupid. So she's going on about that, and later she's like, oh, okay, so name someone and let's see if I know who they are. And Shannon goes, Robert Pattinson. And everyone, everyone's like, who is that? And not everyone, but Connor. Connor goes, who's that? And Shannon's like, oh, he's this actor from this movie. And the sub goes, oh, is he that Dracula guy? and, and, um, and she like was, I don't know, it was really weird. The sub like was like, oh, I'll just talk to so and so and talk to their agent and have them find Robert Pattinson and talk to his agent and blah blah blah. It's not even true. She doesn't. I don't even get her. Um, this video is really long. And then the sad thing was that I think my history teacher's dog died, which is really depressing. My dogs died, and they're really, really sad, and your dog died. Sorry to bring that up. That's really depressing. But we had to listen to a lecture, and she's like, has this really sad voice, like she's been crying, and I'm just like, oh, Delafield. So we wrote her a little card, but I feel really bad. And Connor's probably gonna, on Monday, he's probably gonna be like, oh, I'm sorry your dog died. You don't say that to people. That's just, oh, the horrors that await Delafield. I am sorry. Okay. So otherwise, I have nothing else to say. Oh, I would like to give a shout out to like Nora and Miranda and Anna and Kelson and everyone else I know that's doing track to have good luck tomorrow on their sweet race. And they're going to dominate. Oh, and Chloe. Sorry, Chloe. And Lucy and everyone I know. Everyone from State College Cross Country. Woohoo! Let's hope no one will like track me down and murder me now. Or you. Because you live over... Okay, that's... You just live in that direction. Vaguely. So I don't have anything else to say, so I guess I will see you later, and great job getting third chair. Woo! My win!